Welcome to the Digital Wave Academy's Python tutorial on variables. In programming, variables are used to store and manipulate data. They have names, values, and data types. Let's dive into the world of variables in Python. To declare a variable in Python, we use the assignment operator, which is equals, to bind a value on the right hand side to the variable name on the left hand side. Let's declare a variable called age and assign it a value of 25. We can also declare multiple variables on the same line using the format variable name 1, variable name 2 equals value 1, value 2. And examples are as follows. Name, age equals John, 25. When we print name, it returns the name John. And when we print age, 25 is returned. A variable is a symbolic name given to an unknown quantity. It could be viewed as a storage location which holds data that can be changed during program execution. When naming variables, there are few rules to keep in mind. Variable names start with a letter or underscore. They can contain letters, numbers, and underscores, but no spaces or special characters like question mark, asterisk, hash, etc. For example, the following variable declarations are in line with variable naming conventions, or otherwise what we call variable naming rules. We can assign different types of values to variables. For instance, we can assign a number to a variable, as in the case of x equals 5, or assign a string to a variable, as in the case of message equals hello world, or even assign a Boolean constant to a variable, as in the case of is adult equals true. To access the value stored in a variable, we can simply use the variable name in an expression or print it using the print function. For example, using an expression, we have x equals 5 and y equals x multiplied by 2. Notice that the value in the variable x is accessed in the expression y equals x times 2, while the resulting value of the variable y is displayed using the print function. Variables are mutable, which means their values can be updated or changed. Let's say we have a variable counter initialized to 0. We can update or change its values as follows: counter equals 0, counter equals counter plus 1. And we will print the value, which was initially 0, has now been updated to 1. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of variables in Python. We learned how to declare variables, assign values to them, and access their values. Variables play a crucial role in programming as they allow us to store and manipulate data. By understanding variables, you've taken the first step towards becoming a proficient Python programmer. Feel free to practice and explore more on your own. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Python variables. If you found it informative and useful, click the notification bell and the subscribe button to support our cause of reaching so many other learners like yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Happy coding.